My name is Daniel. This is my build. We're happy they're here building it. We ordered it about a month ago, and everything seems to be going well.
I'm so excited, just waiting.
Everything's still going good. These guys are working hard at it. Pretty much put all our extra stuff in, lawnmower equipment, everything extra. Yeah, clear out the garage out pretty much.
Oh my God, the building is happening right now. It's building up right now, and I just can't wait. To say thank you to the company, Allen Company, because I just speechless. You guys hire really good people to come into my house, and they're very behaved, and I just want to appreciate everything you got done for us.